Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a table in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets. And here it opens up in this view. From here we just have to find the table that we want to share. Tap on the three dots next to its name. Then tap on share. And here we can add people by their email address, and then after we have entered their email addresses, we can just tap on this send button to send the share link to their email address, and then they are going to have access to this document. And here we can manage access as well, like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.